So you're thinking about moving to Raleigh, North Carolina and think maybe a townhome could be for you? Well, it's a great way to get your foot in the door for home ownership and enjoy all the benefits of the tax write-offs and the appreciation, and at usually not so much of a cost. Well, in this video, we're going to take you to look at 4 townhomes, 3 of them in the mid 300 range, 1 of them a luxury townhome, and we're going to do that last. But Chris, townhomes are a great way to get your foot in the door for home ownership.
Absolutely, it is the fad right now. Get in now, they're only going to go up.
And you know, I don't think it's a fad. It is widespread. It's throughout the triangle. Today we're going to be focusing on the eastern side of the triangle in Wendell, North Carolina, which everybody knows our affinity for Wendell. Our office is here, but it's the location and just the bang for the buck is so great here in Wendell.
Yeah, it's a great option for investors, first-time home buyers, or if you're downsizing, or for anyone really, and the benefits that the HOA gives you for maintenance of exterior and grounds and the roof, a lot of amenities, it's all positive.
Yeah, townhomes really take a lot of the regular maintenance you'd have to do out of the equation. So that makes it a perfect fit for some first-time home buyers who tend to be busy and working a lot trying to buy that first home, and also for investors.
Yes, investors, it's a great idea because of that maintenance is covered by the HOA first and foremost, but also they can buy multiples at one time.
Yep. So before we get started, if you want to learn everything about Raleigh, North Carolina and the surrounding areas, then like, subscribe, and tap the notification button so you'll be the first to learn when we release a new video, because that's exactly what we cover here. Also, we are real estate brokers with Crossroads Residential, and we'd love nothing more than to answer your questions and help you make a smooth move to Raleigh. So stay tuned. We're going to get started next. Okay, Chris, we're here at our first neighborhood, Harper's Glen, and this is a good chance for people to get in on the ground floor of a neighborhood.
Absolutely. So in the very early stages, have 1 row of the townhomes built so far, but plenty more coming.
Yeah, so this is going to have what we would kind of consider almost a starter home, smaller homes,
right?
Estate style homes as well as townhouses.
Right. All for a value price. I mean, the townhomes are going to start in the upper 200s. The single family homes are going to start in the low 3s, and the estates in the higher 3s.
Yeah, and as you may hear in the background, one of the advantages to townhomes is they keep the yard up. But what else is included in this one?
Right, so the HOA is going to be $150 a month, which is going to include the exterior maintenance, the grounds, the common areas, garbage pickup, the roof. That's a huge advantage for townhomes. But these are going to be around 1,500 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 bath.
And the price range again?
Starting at $289 currently.
Wow, so under 300,000. And
right.
To give you some context, we always talk about how convenient Wendell is to everything, but this is so convenient, just a couple of minutes, less than 5,
right.
From downtown Wendell, and that's where you're going to find all the bars, breweries, restaurants, shops, like all that kind of stuff, and really maybe 10 minutes from Wendell Falls and the shopping areas of Wendell Falls.
Absolutely.
So lots of amenities close by. There's the Wendell Swim Club is right down the street, because I know this particular one does not have a pool, but you got a swim club literally 3 minutes down the road. You can join separately. It's very affordable too. I have a lot of friends that go there. But anyway, that's our first community, and we're going to show you a couple more, so stick with us.
Let's go.
Okay, so we're here at our second neighborhood, Mackenzie Meadows. And this one's going to have a lot more amenities. I mean, it looks like as we came in, I noticed there's a lot of stuff here. Yeah,
so they got an on-site dog park, playground, a cabana with a pool. So they do have some amenities here.
It's going to be a big community too.
Yes.
It's built by Syntex, a national builder, so you may be familiar with them. But for all these amenities, what's it going to cost?
So $135 a month is the HOA fee, which is going to include the cable, the maintenance, the common areas, the pool, all those amenities. So for just $135 a month, you get a pretty good value for it.
And still convenient to downtown Wendell. So we're just on the other side, maybe again, 4 minutes or so from downtown, but just on the other side of downtown. So again, you have all those advantages of a lower price point than a single family home, but it gives you the advantages of home ownership, building equity, and not having the responsibilities of that maintenance. And that's what a lot of people are looking for. I mean, townhomes are polarizing. I tell you, you know, people either love them or hate them, but the trend is, especially here in the triangle, and by the triangle, Raleigh, Durham, Chapel Hill, townhouses are kind of like the new thing that is really taking off. a majority of new construction we're seeing now and new projects are townhomes.
Absolutely, it is the fad right now. They even talked about it in Triangle Business Journal recently. They put out an article where townhomes are the really hot item right now.
And you know, they may not be for everybody, but if it's something that you would consider, it's a great way to get your foot in the door to home ownership.
Absolutely, and from an investment standpoint. So a lot of investors like townhomes because you can buy multiples, but also the exterior maintenance is covered for you.
Yeah, when the roof is covered and the big systems are covered, it's easy to manage it from a distance, because a lot of the investors that contact us, they don't live here. They're just, they know that this is the 2023 hottest real estate market, and they want to own rental property in our market. And it's a good way to make sure that lawn maintenance and roof maintenance is not being deferred, or you know, it's all being addressed, and that's one of the advantages to townhomes. Absolutely.
And for these particularly start at $320.
Yeah, I mean, so everything we're showing you is extremely affordable, but like we said earlier, stay tuned to the end. We have, if you really want a super nice luxury townhome, we got one of those for you at the end. But everything we're showing you is just really affordable for first-time home buyers, for investors. But we got one more to show them before we jump to that special one at the end, so let's head there now.
Let's go.
All right, Chris, we're at our third, and we're kind of going up in price each time. This is Parktown.
Yeah, Parktown at Wendell by Caruso Homes. They start at the 330 range. They do run up to about 380, but starting at 330, 1,700 square feet, 3-story with a 1-car garage.
Yep, and something I know you're interested in, if you look behind us, you're on the golf course.
Absolutely.
Wendell Country Club.
I just played there recently. It's in great shape.
Yeah, I tell you, these right here, these are the ones I'd want, because you, off your back balcony, you got that view of the golf course. That's pretty cool. I mean, I play once in a while. I'm more of a top golf kind of guy. I just go play the games. But so this is located pretty much in the middle of downtown Wendell and Wendell Falls, that you hear us talk about all the time. So you are literally 5 minutes from either one or less. All the restaurants, Parkside Restaurant, my favorite, just opened finally in Wendell Falls. But you got all the shopping, Publix grocery store, Don Meadows Tacos, Starbucks, all that is at Wendell Falls. Then all the local cool restaurants, breweries, boutiques, all that stuff downtown. So you're right in the middle. From here to downtown Raleigh, 15 minutes. So, and if you are looking to higher education, the new Wake Tech, 6-7 minutes from here.
Great. You can't beat this location for these price points.
No.
This one does have an HOA. Most townhomes do. $143 a month. Maintenance the common area, exterior, and the roof.
I mean, it's
and you're on the golf course. Did I say that again?
And your master insurance is included in those things. So you just would have a condo policy, which is much cheaper than homeowners insurance. So you know, if you're willing, you know, to share a wall with somebody, it's a great way, like we keep saying, to get your foot in the door to home ownership or investment property. But okay, so what you've been waiting for, when we leave here, we're going to head over to our super nice, let's say elegant townhome, and it's coming up next. Okay, Chris, as promised, we're here at the Elegant Townhomes, and did you really think we'd take you anywhere other than Wendell Falls? I'm telling you, these things look amazing. And if you missed out, we actually did an in-depth tour of these very units. So I'll link that at the end of the video so you can click on that and check it out. These things are so upgraded, so nice. They're not in the mid 300s.
No.
So give us some information.
These are going to start, these are 3-story townhomes. These are super nice, super upgraded, like you talked about. Check out that video. But start in the 450s. So the mid 4s, and they go on up over the 5s. But
now, these are pretty good size too.
These are great, big size, well over 2,000 square feet.
Right, and you are literally walking distance from Don Meadows Tacos and Tequila, from Parkside, from the new pizza joint that's here, the Starbucks, the grocery store. I mean, you're right in the middle of everything. And the Tree Light District is what they call their shopping district. It's just getting started, because it's 2 million square feet of retail when it's finished, and it's slated to have a movie theater, all kinds of bars, entertainment, stores, high-end shopping. I mean, I'd get in now, because I don't think that a 4 is going to be the first number of these for very long.
No. So you get in now, and all the ones that we've shown today, if you get in now at this price point, it's only going to appreciate.
I mean, that's absolutely true. So I mean, it's like we've said throughout this video, if you are willing to consider a townhome, and for some people it's what they're looking for.
Right.
In fact, more and more people, it is what they're looking for. People have busier lifestyles now. You don't want to mess with the yard work.
Right.
You don't want to have the issues with the roof and the exterior maintenance and all the things, but you want that appreciation and equity that comes with home ownership. Townhomes are a great choice. We've shown you some really great choices here in the Wendell area, putting you just 15-20 minutes from downtown Raleigh. So if you work in Raleigh, it works. And you're close to lots of amenities.
Right.
But if you want to head into the big city, it's not far away.
No.
So if you have questions, want more information, feel free to give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. Our information is down below. And like I said, always choose Crossroads Residential, because we love helping people move to this area.
And we'll make it happen.